How to convert a read-only Excel file to an editable file. So if you want to convert a read-only Excel file to an editable file, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply go with the Excel file. Make sure that you've saved this Excel file. Now in my case, I've already saved it. So you just need simply go with the saved destination. In my case, it's download. And this is the Excel file. Now, if you want to convert this to an editable file, then you need to right click on it. And then you will have an option of properties. You need to click on properties, or you can also go with show more options. And then you on the bottom, you will have the properties. Click on it. Once you're on your properties, if you have a check mark under read only, and if you click on apply and then OK, now if you try to open this file, then you won't be able to edit this file. As you can see on the top, it says read only. You won't be able to edit it. Even if you try to edit and try to download, you won't be able to download it. You won't be able to edit it. Right. So if you want to change that, then you can right click on it again and then go with properties again. Now under properties, you need to uncheck this option. After that, click on apply and then OK. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.